In this video, we will know about a Canadian trading platform, wealthsimple Trade. wealthsimple Trade is a Canadian online investment platform that provides an easy and accessible way for users to buy and sell stocks and ETF'S. The platform was launched in 2018 by wealthsimple Inc., a financial technology company that aims to make investing more accessible to Canadians. One of the most significant advantages of wealthsimple Trade is its simplicity. The platform is designed to be user-friendly with a clean and intuitive interface that makes it easy for even novice investors to get started. The app is available on both iOS and Android, allowing users to manage their investments from their mobile devices. Another key feature of wealthsimple Trade is its low fees. Unlike traditional brokerage firms that charge high commissions on each trade, wealthsimple Trade charges no commissions on Canadian and US stock trades. This means that investors can save a significant amount of money on trading fees, especially if they make frequent trade. In addition to its low fees, wealthsimple Trade also offers a range of investment options. Users can invest in individual stocks or ETFs with access to over 8,000 Canadian and US stocks and ETFs. The platform also offers a range of investment themes such as socially responsible investing and dividend investing, allowing users to invest in companies that align with their values. wealthsimple Trade also offers a range of educational resources to help users make informed investment decisions. The platform provides articles and videos on various investment topics such as how to build a diversified portfolio and how to invest in ETFs. The app also includes a news feed that provides users with the latest market news and insights. Overall, wealthsimple Trade is an excellent investment platform for Canadians who are looking for a simple and low cost way to invest in the stock market. With its user friendly interface, low fees, and range of investment options, wealthsimple Trade is an excellent choice for both novice and experienced investors. In short, pros of wealthsimple Trade is: first one, user friendly interface; second, low fees; third, range of investment options; fourth, educational resources; fifth, mobile app. If we will talk about cons of wealthsimple Trade, then first one, limited investment options; second, limited research tools, third, limited customer support, fourth, Canadian focused. Overall, wealthsimple Trade is a solid investment platform that offers a range of benefits for investors, including a user friendly interface, low fees, and educational resources. However, it may not be the best option for more experienced investors who require more advanced research tools or a wider range of investment options.